Hello and welcome to Avcomm Communication Systems. Avcomm Communication Systems was formed in 1992 as an aviation communications company providing reliable hearing protection headsets and intercoms. What began as a successful California-based family business has evolved into a global communication systems company. We meet customer needs in general aviation, racing and recreation through NASCAR, circle track and off-road sectors, safety, at work, and government markets. Whether our customers use simple hearing protection headsets or entire communication systems installed in vehicles, our reputation for comfort and high quality with low return rates means low maintenance budgets for any user. Above all else, Avcomm is valued for our ear safety quality. Our headsets are made with our patented PNR noise reduction technology and are certified a superior NRR of 24 dB by the American National Standards Institute. Avcomm continues to listen to client feedback to ensure our current products are simple to use, can adapt to other existing market technologies, and are long-lasting. Product innovations come from market soundings, but we never change the underlying core hearing protection value we have gained over 15 years of experience. As you learn more about our company, understand that our customer service is personal and our first priority for long-term, satisfied customers. Let's meet some of the people who rely and insist on Avcomm products. We're talking today with Scott Wardell, flight instructor. Hi, Scott.
Hi.
What are the most important factors you consider when you're buying a headset?
A lot of things that I look for are for comfort. I wear them a couple hours at a time, several hours a day. Basically, I need to know that my ears are protected, but I also need the comfort over the long haul for cross-country flights and things like that. Really, the fatigue factor really gets high on cross-country flights. I also look for value. I like to, a big part of me just wants to get the most for my money. Also, I need quality. There's times when I can't miss an important call over the radio, and a good headset will ensure that.
What is the noise level like in the cockpit when you're flying?
I've heard that it's been compared to locking yourself in a closet and turning the vacuum cleaner on. It really is loud. There's a lot of older time pilots that have lost their hearing because several years ago they didn't have the ear protection that they do now. It is really loud, and trying to communicate with someone else, you have to really use a yelling voice. You would really have to yell for them to be able to hear you, and plus to be able to communicate with air traffic control, you need the ear protection to be able to just hear what they're saying.
Well, taking into consideration the things that are important to you that you mentioned, quality, durability, longevity, comfort, what is the primary reason you chose an Avcomm headset?
I chose Avcomm because they were highly recommended to the instructor that I had and to the local flight school, but also I talked to other pilots and found out what they were using, and they basically told me for the best value was Avcomm. I know there's lots of manufacturers, but for the Avcomm really offers the most headset for the dollar. It really is a great headset. I've had mine for almost 7 years now and I have no problems with it so far. Really is a terrific headset.
Great. Well, thank you, Scott.
You bet. Thank you.
We're here with Tom Barber, professional race car driver. Hi, Tom.
Hi there.
What are the most important factors for you as a professional race car driver in choosing your equipment?
For me, the most important thing is reliability, and that's going to be working on the track. As you know, when we're out there running pretty hard speeds, I got to make sure that my spotter can hear me, because if I can't hear him, he can't hear me. A split second, I could be into another car, or I could be, another car could be into me. So it's a safety factor also.
How important is customer service to you?
Customer service is very important. On the weekends when I need to call up somebody and get the product that I need, most definitely.
Right. Based on everything that's important to you in choosing equipment and everything in the racing world, of all of the factors that are important to you, what is the #1 reason you chose Avcomm?
I don't think you can really pinpoint one thing down. It's a combination of everything. It's reliability, it's dependability, it's the customer service. Yeah, there's companies out there that may have one, but Avcomm has all of them, and that's what's very important. I depend on everything in my race car, and most definitely communication is very important.
Good. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hello, we're here today with Tim Corbett, General Manager of Vegas Steel Motorsports. Tim, what are the most important factors for you as far as off-road racing atmospheres are concerned?
The most important aspects would be durability and clarity. We need to make sure that the plugs don't come disconnected in a race environment, or it does get kind of dangerous. If the driver cannot talk to the co-driver clearly, then it's kind of tough to drive at such speeds. The co-driver's doing just as much as the driving as the driver is. He's really communicating to the driver, telling him what's ahead.
So then that leads into what the important factors are for you as far as on a recreational basis.
Recreational would probably be affordability and once again durability. No one wants to go out on vacation and have things break on them.
So what would be your final decision-making processes? What were the final factors that helped you decide on Avcomm for your team?
Well, once again, it would be durability, affordability, clarity in the product.
Kind of all the above?
All the above. See.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you.
We're talking today with Fire Captain Mike Wiseman. Mike, thank you for meeting with us
today.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
How important is the fact that Avcomm has a certified 24 dB noise reduction capability?
It's very important to us. You know, working in the front seat of a fire truck is a very noisy place to work. And having that certified piece of equipment, you know, we consider a certified piece of equipment more reliable. It makes us feel better driving, you know, said. It makes our department, our administration feel better. It's just an all-around better piece of equipment, and as I said, we're real happy with it. It's worked so far really well for us.
What influenced your department's decision to buy Avcomm headsets?
The third-party certification, that would be the thing, you know, and it more or less that, and we could put a lot more equipment into a lot smaller area and things of that nature. So those are the two main issues why we went with Avcomm.
How important is the versatility and interoperability of an Avcomm headset to you?
It's giant, you know, especially in our command vehicles. We can either run a single instant, we have one guy talking on the radio, we can have up to 5 guys talking up on the radio in the same vehicle. So the Avcomm system will grow as our instants expand or get bigger. So it's critical that it be a versatile piece of equipment for us. And it's been, we just said, it works great. We're really happy with them.
Good. Well, thank you for meeting with us
today. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
We're pleased you've had the opportunity to hear from a few of our product users and hope you have gained an insight into how Avcomm communication systems can be of value to you. Whether you are a potential dealer seeking higher margins as a business partner with Avcomm or an end user seeking a simple replacement headset, we promise you customer satisfaction. The Avcomm team is interested in hearing about your communications needs, whether it be in the aviation, racing, safety, at work, or government sectors. We invite you to contact an Avcomm dealer near you. Call our head office toll-free at 800-845-7541, or you can send us Need Product Info email via our home webpage at www.avcomm.com.